This is my life working from home. She's giving. This is so nice. Your baby is singing. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 7 of Vlogmas and we're ready to go to church.
God opened the door strangely.
I'm back, guys. If you know me personally, you know that Sunday morning I leave my house scattered. I come back thinking someone would have arranged it for me, but there's no one to arrange it for me. So we'll arrange it together, right? Please, can you stay with me? Please. It's time to arrange this house, take off what I'm wearing. Now, you guys, let me show you my Sunday outfit. Hold on. Yeah, this was what I wore to church. This is a dress. I turned it to a skirt. This was what I wore to church today. It took so long for me to come up with this outfit. I didn't have what to wear to church. But yeah, this is what we wore to church. I hope you guys can see, sir. Let's arrange, please. I have pepper sprays for sale. Pepper sprays for sale. I made a video earlier. Your baby is singing. Your baby is singing. My Jesus, my Jesus. Your baby is singing. Let's change my outfit, shall we? Ojogo akataka, onyole ebubemo. I am the vlogger that does not have space. I am the vlogger that does not have space on her phone, on her camera. My DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Speaking into existence. Come on. So you guys, I'm done. So I don't have space. I had to pause my cleaning video. So you guys, let me just use my front camera because using the back, I will not know when I will see storage full. But when I'm using the front, I can tell when storage is full because I've been talking since and I didn't know I was not recording. So I was trying to show you guys my lunch. I made the hamburger. That's what most people have been calling it around me, and I never thought to like find out the real name. I had leftover boiled yam, so I dipped it into like egg and then fried it. Mm. So and plantain. While I was sweeping, I left my plantain and it got burnt. I can see that burnt off inside there, and then the remaining eggs I fried it on top. See, I don't know what's going on here, but it's a lot. And also, I saw Coca-Cola bottle Coca-Cola today. I saw this today and evening, so that's what I'm having for lunch. This lunch is not lunch. This Sunday lunch is not lunch. I'm supposed to be eating rice and stew. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. So while I sort out my space issue, I'll be eating. I can't vlog again, you guys. I can't vlog again. I honestly cannot vlog again because of my space. It's making me so sad. And so let me just sort that out and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Hi people, good morning. It's the next morning. I'm about to start sorting out. I have some other going out today, and this is where I keep like most of my products. to easily sort out. So yeah, I'm just going to look for them and then pack. You know, I'm a self-defense vendor in Nigeria. I sell products like pepper spray. This is a pepper spray. This is a pepper spray. And then taser. This is a taser. This is a taser. So yeah, please check out my business page, rubyguard.ng. So I just thought to show you guys how I pack some of my order. The first order I have is this purple taser, this lilac pepper spray, and this purple cubotin. Just check out our page on Instagram or TikTok. You will see how to use any of these products and their prices. So yeah, this is the first order. And before I send out my taser, I always test it. I don't know if I should fire it here if TikTok will not take down my video, but I don't want YouTube rather to take down my video. And yeah, so I test it, charge it, make sure that nobody will tell me, and when I got it, it was not working. It worked from my end. I charged it and it charged from my end. So yeah, I'm just trying to do quality control. That's what it's called, right? So yeah, let's work together. This is my life working from home. When I say I work from home, these are the things. These are one of the many things I do. Work from home. I'm filming right now, working from home. I'm packing order, working from home. All of them are working from home. So you guys, let's do this together. I've charged this before turning on the camera. So oh my god, I didn't pack that well because I'm stocking. The rider is closed. I think it's the one calling, that one outside. Please, I'm coming. The rider is here, guys. Let's do this. So the taser go in. Where is the spray? Then the spray go in. Then the cubotin. I don't test my pepper spray because I will waste it, but I'm very sure they're okay. It's the taser that electrical product that I test. So one other part. The next one is a pen knife, and she ordered for our blue. She ordered for the blue pen knife. This is a knife, guys. See, it's a pen knife. Ordered for the blue pen knife. And this is how it is. She just ordered one. Like the kind of order I'm packing today, I'm wondering what's going on. The other one is key knife, like just knife. Knife. This is also a knife, but key. The rider is here. It's looking at me right now. My door is open. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack that and head out and give it to him. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. I just wanted to give the rider the other package, and then this order came in. It's not mine, it's for somebody, and it's a surprise birthday gift. Oh my god, where? It's a surprise birthday hair gift. So I helped them source the hair. If you watch my day 5, I think my day 5 Vlogmas, I was talking about how my hair business, what ruined my hair business and all of that. So I still have that hair business blood in me. So if you want to source your hair, if you want, my storage is full. Hey, but I am filming with TikTok camera right now. Whatever you guys see, take it like that. I was talking and then what kind of interruption is that one? I don't even know how I'm going to edit this vlog. But let's just film first, so we'll sort out the editing part. I'm just going to check out the quality and keep this camera. So I can still help you get hairs, and that's where they reached out to me to get this hair. Where's my scissors? I can't wait to check this out. Let me make a video to show how it came in first. Then I'll show you guys the bundle. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. So I'm done making the video. So this is the first hair that we ordered. Is 16 inches pixie coil, 16 inches pixie coil, 100 gram, and then this bundle of joy. You guys, how hair is now bundle of joy. 22 and 24 inches hair, and then the closure. So I'm just going to sort it out, wig it. Oh, this is so fine. The quality is so nice. I can't lie. Let me be your hair saucer. Let me be your hair saucer. So let's get to work, baby. I just thought about something. The way this top, I've been wearing this top for my vlogs. I beg, not the only top I get, but it's one very comfortable top I wear at home, but not the only top. Oh. This This one, we've explained this one before, right? Because of my cornrow, that's why I'm wearing this. Well, we're gonna fix that in 24 hours. The hair, not the top. The top, I don't know. Get used to it because it's one of my very comfortable top. And this is the closure. No need for closure. Let him buy you closure. Kind of line I'm dropping. I don't even know if that sounds good. But bye bye, guys. Morning and water. Morning and water. 24 inches bust down. And then this is the Pixie. Pixie looks nice, very nice. I'm considering even buying this one again for myself to use it for a pony. So when you see it, just know that I've gotten it.